Hi children, today I am going to teach a new topic, atomic structure. So in previous class I explained about worksheet 4. Everyone completed or not? If you not complete, please complete. Okay. So today I am going to teach atomic structure. Everyone should listen the class, understand the class. So what I am telling here? So atomic structure, that means it provides the foundation for understanding the chemical reaction. What is the meaning of this? So the process in which substances combine to produce a new substance, and those substances are having unique properties, and those properties are new properties. That is called as chemical reaction. So what I am telling here, it provides the foundation for understanding the chemical reaction. What is the meaning of this? The process in which 2 or 3 substances combine to form a new substance, and the properties also new properties. Okay, so this is called as chemical reaction. So everything in the universe, the matter is made up of molecules, the molecules are made up of atoms. So many chemical reactions take place, those are based on the atoms only. So atoms only involved in the chemical reaction. That's why, so we have to learn the atomic structure. And second point, and the properties of the elements. So properties of the elements, and third point is behavior of the matter. We'll discuss about the behavior of the matter. So that's why, in order to explain the behavior of the matter and the properties of the elements and understanding the chemical reaction, so we should know about the atomic structure. So what is the properties of elements? You know that electronic configuration and ionization potential, electronegativity, electropositivity, these properties of those elements we have to discuss. And also the behavior of the matter. What is the behavior of the matter? Behavior of the matter means either it may be solid substances will involved in the chemical reaction, liquid substances are involved in the chemical reaction, and gaseous substances are involved in the chemical reaction. So that those substances are solids. If they are solids, they are closely packed. If they are liquids, those are loosely packed. If they are gases, they are very loosely packed. So we have to discuss about the behavior of the matter. So all this, so in order to understand the behavior of the matter and properties of the elements and understand the chemical reactions, so we have to know about the atomic structure topic. This is the atomic structure I am going to teach you. So let's discuss. Let us discuss about the atomic structure. On the basis of the laws of chemical combinations, Dalton proposed one new atomic model, new atomic theory, that is called as Dalton's atomic theory. Dalton proposed one atomic theory based on the laws of chemical combinations. One is law of conservation of mass, another one is law of definite proportions. Using these two laws and explain the Dalton atomic theory. Dalton proposed one atomic theory that is called as Dalton atomic theory. So let us discuss about the Dalton atomic theory. Dalton's atomic theory. What is present in the Dalton atomic theory? So on the basis of the chemical combination laws, Dalton proposed one atomic theory. That theory is called as Dalton atomic theory. So Dalton proposed this theory in 1808. Dalton proposed one atomic theory that is based on the laws of chemical combinations, law of conservation of mass, law of conservation of mass. Second one is law of definite proportions. These are the two laws of definite proportions. So in 1808, Dalton proposed one atomic theory. That theory is called as Dalton's atomic theory. Okay, so let us discuss about the, so first postulates let us see first, then I will explain about these two laws. So first I will explain this about the postulates. So important points. So what he explained in this. So first one is all matter which is made up of small particles, these are called as atoms. All matter which is made up of small particles, these are called as atoms. So first point what I explained, so all matter which is made up of small particles, these are called as atoms. So suppose if you take any substance, the small particles are there, those are indivisible particles. Those particles are indivisible particles. So this is small particle is called as atom. So this is matter. Any matter, it may be solid, it may be liquid, it may be gas. So whatever it is that is made up of small particles, these are called as atoms. Children, understanding what I am telling? So postulates, all matter which is made up of small particles, these are called as atoms. So that is, so matter is made up of small particles, that is called as atoms. So second point, atoms are indivisible particles of a matter, neither be created nor be destroyed. Neither be created nor be destroyed. These all particles are indivisible particles which are neither be created nor be destroyed. Then rearranging their atoms and combine and produce the new substance. That is the second point. What I am telling here, atoms are indivisible particles. Indivisible particles. Atoms are indivisible particles. Atoms are what? Indivisible particles. Those are neither be created nor be destroyed, but rearranging their atoms of those matter combine and forms new substance. This is called as chemical reaction. So many chemical reactions take place based on the atom only. These atoms only involved in the chemical reaction. These are invisible particles and indivisible particles which take place in a chemical reaction. Those indivisible particles of a matter neither be created nor be destroyed, but rearranging of their atoms of matter to form new substance. So that is called as what? Second point, that is. This is only called as the law of conservation of mass. That is only the law of conservation of mass. Atoms of the matter neither be created nor be destroyed, but rearranging atoms of the matter and combine and produce new substance. Suppose any chemical reaction, C plus O2 gives rise to CO2. C, carbon is made up of many atoms, and oxygen is also made up of many atoms, and rearranging their atoms and produce the new substance. So this is chemical reaction. So involved here, atoms are involved in the chemical reaction. So these are neither be created nor be destroyed. That is called as the second point. Okay, first point okay, second point okay, right. So next, third point, atoms of the same element have same identical mass and same properties. Atoms of the element, suppose third point, this is atoms of same element, atoms of same element, atoms of same element have same mass and same properties, similar properties. Atoms of the same element have same mass and same properties. So let us take one example. So I am taking, this is a gas, so many particles are there. This is called as hydrogen gas. This hydrogen gas contains smallest indivisible particles, uncuttable particles. విభజించడానికి కూడా వీలు కానటువంటి కణాలని పరమాణువు అంటారు. అది డాల్టన్ చెప్పింది, ఓకేనా. సో దీంట్లో అన్కటబుల్ సబ్స్టెన్స్, దట్ ఈస్ ఆటమ్. అన్కటబుల్ పార్టికల్స్, అన్కటబుల్ పార్టికల్, దట్ ఈస్ hydrogen. This uncuttable particle, that is indivisible particle, neither be created nor be destroyed. Okay, and like that, so many H2 molecules are there. This is H2 molecule, this is H2 molecule. In this two hydrogen indivisible particles are there. In this two hydrogen indivisible particles are there. These indivisible particles neither be created nor be destroyed, and also these are same mass. This hydrogen is 1, this hydrogen also 1. The mass is same. If the mass is same, means the properties also same. Same properties, same mass and same properties, similar properties. So this is the third point. Understanding, children? So what I am telling here, atoms of the same element have same mass and similar properties, similar properties. So this is about the third point. Okay na children? ఏదైనా ఒక సబ్స్టెన్స్ తీసుకుంటే ఆ సబ్స్టెన్స్లో, ఆ ఎలిమెంట్లో ఆటమ్స్ అన్నీ కూడా సేమ్ మాస్ని కలిగి ఉంటాయి, అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం సేమ్ ప్రాపర్టీస్ని కలిగి ఉంటాయి. మాస్ సేమ్ అయితే ప్రాపర్టీస్ కూడా సేమే. Example like this, hydrogen gas. So next, fourth point, atoms of different elements, atoms of different elements, atoms of different elements have different mass and different properties, different properties. So I am taking one example to understand atoms of different elements. Suppose I am taking carbon dioxide. So here carbon is one element, and oxygen is another element. So I am taking one substance, this is a substance. Here different elements are there. This is one element, this is element, and this is element. Two are different elements. Atoms of different elements have different mass and different properties. So here carbon atomic mass 12, oxygen atomic mass 16. Carbon atomic mass 12, oxygen atomic mass 16. Understanding? Atoms of the different elements have different mass and different properties. So this is about the, so next, fourth point. Understanding what I am telling, children? So this is the fourth point. So atoms of different elements have different mass and different properties. The different mass and properties also different. So carbon is different, oxygen is different. So this is the fourth point. This is only called as the second law. Second law, what I am telling here, second law. Law of definite proportions. Definite proportions. Law of definite proportions. So any substance, if you take the substance which is having fixed ratio by mass, the elements are fixed ratio by mass. The elements of a substance are fixed ratio by mass. Suppose if I take CO2 carbon atomic number 12, carbon atomic mass 12, oxygen atomic mass 16, total 32, 2 oxygens are there. Simple ratio I want. Fourth table, how much? 3 times 3 fours. This is 8 fours. This is a fixed ratio by mass. This is fixed ratio by mass. That is called as a law of definite proportions. Every substance which is made up of different elements and different properties, these are fixed ratio by mass. That is called as law of definite proportions. This is the second law. Dalton explained based on the law of definite proportions. This is the second law. Let's go to the next point. Let us see the concept once. So concept 1 I am explaining. Okay.